Nature already did the hard work. We just need to notice it. Today, I'm turning a simple woven palm leaf into something beautiful and surprisingly useful. It all started when I was digging through my recycling cupboard and found this plastic yogurt container. Not exciting, right? Give me a minute. Here is what I'm using. My pretty woven palm tree ribbon, a plastic yogurt box, some sewing packs, packaging tape, pizza cardboard, scrap fabric, utility knife and scissors, a simple pencil, scrap felt, and of course, hot glue gun. First, I carefully cut the thicker part of the plastic container. This blade is sharp, so take it slow. Then I clean up the edges with scissors. Now for the transformation. I measure and cut my fabric. And start lining the inside of the box. This step, small effort, big difference. It instantly makes it feel more finished. Next, I cut pieces from the pizza boxes, cover them with fabric, and glue them to the base. And just like that, the inside is done. Now comes the magic part, the woven palm leaf. I wrap it around the box and glue it in place. And suddenly, it doesn't look like trash anymore. It looks like something you would actually want to keep. Oops! There is a tiny gap. No problem. I grab my macrame thread, my little design emergency kit, and wrap it around the box to finish the look. Now, let's make the lid. I measure and cut out 2 squares from the pizza cardboard and glued 2 layers together to make it stronger. Then I attach palm strips to the back and secure them with tape. One by one, I fold them over, pressing them down with my fingers. And now, weaving begins. Over, under, over, under. It's simple, but somehow hypnotic. Strip by strip, the pattern grows, and the lid comes to life. From scraps to something worth keeping. And the best part? This is just one idea. For the hinge, I go back to my trusty scrap fabric. It's soft, flexible, and strong enough to open and close the lid again and again without wearing out. To keep the back looking neat and clean, I glue a piece of felt cut to the exact same size. Honestly, if the corners of the plastic box were sharper, the finish would be even cleaner. But this is the world of recycling. It doesn't have to look store-bought to be beautiful. And this? I love how it turned out. Woven palm ribbon never disappoints me. It always finds a way to elevate the simplest materials. This one is definitely earning its place on my vanity table. But now I'm curious, what else would you use something like this? Tell me in the comments. If this video inspired you or gave you a little motivation about recrafting, I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay well!